Good day, everyone, and today I am going to talk about the fractional distillation of petroleum. The fractional distillation of crude oil was invented in 1983 in the state of Pennsylvania in USA by a person called Warren. The fractionation of petroleum is quite complicated. First, it must be heated up to 400 degrees Celsius in a furnace into a gas. Then it will go up the fractionating column, and different fractions will be formed due to the difference in boiling points. The fractions are refinery gas, petrol, naphtha, kerosene, diesel oil, fuel oil, lubricating oils and waxes, and bitumen. The viscosity increases down the fractionating column because there are more carbon atoms in the chains and causing the same area to be more packed and thus making the product more viscous. While flammability decreases down the fractionating column because as there are more and more carbon atoms in the carbon chains, it requires more energy to break upon the bonds, and thus the flammability it decreases down the group as it requires more energy to break apart the bonds. Well, after all this, what is the uses of these fractions? Well, for refinery gas, it's to make LPG, and the LPG can power taxis. Petrol is used to power cars, while naphtha is a raw material to be used to make plastics and other substances like chemicals. Kerosene is used to power planes. Diesel oil is used to fuel heavy vehicles like lorries and buses. Fuel oil is used to power ships and burnt to generate electricity. Lubricating oils and waxes are used to make lubricating oils and candles and something like Vaseline to lubricate stuff. While bitumen is used as a material to cover roads because of its rigidness. Something interesting about bitumen is that because it's too viscous, it is hard for it to be transported, and thus there are methods in which to allow it to be transported around. The methods are called cracking, refinery, and diluting. The process of bitumen cracking relies on using coker and high-pressure water cannons to break down heavy aromatic rings and paraffins into lighter molecules, in which then would be made into synthetic crude, which is a less viscous product, so it will be easier to pump and be transported. Another method to ease bitumen transportation is by diluting it, but bitumen can be diluted with butane, and then it can pass through a pipeline with 20% of dilutant, typically natural gas condensate. The product is diluted bitumen, which is a powder, so it makes it easier to transport. This is the end of our presentation on said topic of fractional distillation of petroleum. Special thanks to our producers, Gordon Jones, Sunny Lamb, Felix Ma, Alex Victor, and of course me, Toby Man. Thank you for staying tuned so long and watching our video. This is Speaker Toby Man signing out. Have a good day and goodbye.